Welcome to SatTech. Today I'm going to show you how to install your Luft TV on, let's say, multi-TV or DSTV. Let's say you have a dish already installed for multi-TV or DSTV. I'm going to show you how to install your Luft TV, which is now on 45.1A. 45.1A. You understand? And then I'm using this particular dish because it's already installed for multi-TV. Camera LMB is on 26 and then 28. 26 and then 28. And then the one I've attached is what I'm going to use for this particular tutorial. I'm going to install for 45.1 East. 45.1 East. So right now, to show you this particular trick, if you want to get it very, very easy, make sure that your meter is long. Just make sure that your meter is long enough so that you'll be able to track this particular angle very easily. So as I said, this one is already on multi-TV. It's already on multi-TV and then NBC. So right now, the one I'm going to attach for 35.1 is this particular one. And then this is what I'm going to use. There are several ways you can do, but this is what I'm doing for you in this particular video. So let's input our frequency and then we'll see how it will go. The frequency number or their TP is 11655, 45,000 horizontal. You understand? Okay, this is it. You can see the distance. The distance, let me use my test spanner as measurement for you. My test spanner. Okay, guys. If I use my test spanner as measurement for you, this is this particular one. So if you're using your 10 spanner as measurement, this part, let's assume that this part will be cut off. So this is the measurement for getting your Luft TV if you have multi-TV already installed. So you take your 10 spanner measurement and then what? This is where it ends. You understand? That's the distance between the Luft TV, the 45.1E, and then the 28, and then the 26, which is combined. I hope it's okay for you. So this is it. So let me play a channel for you to see how it is. So you can see this is Luft TV. I'll put the TP under there and then just pick it and then go and then do your tracking. That's all. This is Luft TV for you. You understand? Thank you for watching and then see you all another time.